Good morning students. Today's topic is pedigree analysis. What is pedigree analysis? Analysis of a trait in several of generations of a family. It is called pedigree analysis. What are its uses? Number one, it is used to trace the inheritance of a trait, and second, it is used to determine the abnormality or a disease. Some pedigree analysis is done with the help of some standard symbols. For example, a square in pedigree analysis, it represents a male. A circle represents a female. A rhombus, it represents the sex unspecified, means the sex of the individual is not clear, and the shading, a shaded square or a shaded circle, it shows the affected individual. A line between a male and a female, it represents mating. Two lines between a male and a female, it shows mating or marriage between the cousins, that is especially the first cousins. This shows a couple, a male and a female, and the marriage or the mating has resulted in formation of two children, a daughter and a son. This also shows a couple which is normal, apparently normal, but their son is affected with the disease, we can say, or a character. A number written inside a box, it say if it is written 5, it shows 5 individuals which are unaffected. Okay, we can have some more symbols. We can see that is this symbol, it represents the non-identical or the fraternal twins, that is which develop from two different zygotes. This represents the identical twins or the twins which are monozygotic, which arise from single zygote. The number, say we have written 3 in a circle, so it will represent 3 daughters, and if 4 is written in this square, it shows 4 males or the 4 sons. This shows affected female. A square which is shaded, this shows affected male or the son. Now this shows a dot inside the circle, it shows a carrier individual. We can write like this. For a male, it can be written like this. Okay, and this line, it shows a dot at the end, it shows aborted fetus or stillborn child or the dead individual. A child, when it was born, it was dead. Now this is how the pedigree charts are made. What is important is a chart will be there in your exam or in the question, and you have to tell two things: whether the chart shows a autosomal trait or it shows a sex linked trait. Whether the chart shows autosomal trait or sex linked trait, and second thing, whether the character studied in this pedigree, it is dominant or recessive. This is how we have to explain. Now for a dominant trait, how will we determine a dominant trait? Let us see.